That was a fucking awesome shot. That was a fucking awesome shot, dude. Oh, fuck yeah. You jumped far hell away from that wall. That's badass. Yeah, he was in there forever. And we have it on tape too, so you can actually count it. God, you got a little bit, bro.
I don't know if you should. It's kind of hard on the knees. Because the water.
Just hold your legs together. Yeah? Just don't go head first. Let me see, Mom.
That's awesome.
Let's see.
That's a
Fuck yeah.
good range shot there.
Fuck yeah.
So that's the one
I don't know, they won't know if it's him or not. He's so far away.
I know, but still. You got video?
Two different shots, and I can edit it like I was telling Rick, where it can show you jumping off at the last minute, and then you can make it last longer for you falling down the.
Oh, both ways?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God.
Hell yeah, man.
Yeah, I curled under.
Did you?